Then me look and hear the voice of one whole heap of angel. And if you have to add them up, about 1,000 and 1,000 and 1,000, you can't count them. Them gather around the throne and around the sitting them and the elder them. And the whole of them are sing that song in a one loud voice. The baby sheep good enough to get enough honor and respect, cause them did kill him. Him good enough to get praise, cause him well powerful, and him well rich, and well wise, and him well strong. And him good enough to get honor and respect for everything where he make. Revelation 5 verse 11 and 12. God wrote this. Thank God.